Wendy and I are going to give you a quick update on Robert's 3-month visit.
Yes.
We put up his whole surgery and his first week checkup a couple weeks ago on YouTube, and commented that he didn't show up for his 1-month scar check, and Wendy tweeted him and he showed up. And I like this kid because he's got a good sense of humor, but he also was a landscaper, and so he completely bought into
he understood everything,
the whole
the way that you
trees
explained them.
and how you have to plant things and water them and wait for the things to grow and stuff. So here is at 3 months. Robert, so you just walked in here today. You missed your 6-week check, and Wendy called you or tweeted you, and you showed up. So I know the whole deal. So, but you're now 11 weeks out from doing this.
Yes.
Has your sensation returned to the back of your head? Or are you still numb?
Yeah, I would say in the last 2 weeks, so it took about 2 months, but I have all sensation now.
All right, reach up and pull your hair back one time. And so you can see, because you're a pinkish complected fellow, it's a little pink right there, but that'll go away. And nothing's really happening because it's been 11 weeks, but it will happen. And then turn around one time and let me see the back of your head. And that's a pretty short haircut. Lean forward just a little bit. And my scar is right there. Yeah. That looks pretty good. Any advice? You've given a lot of advice in the video. This is going to be an addition. Any advice you want to give to these characters that would listen? Look at this.
Just be patient with your results and do your research.
Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah.
Thanks. So
He thought he was growing.
yeah, all these guys think they're growing, but there's nothing really growing there because it takes 5 months typically to start. But his scar's good. He's got a real short haircut in the back, and just like we tell everybody, usually the whole back of your head's numb for about 2 months. It can be longer than that, but it's pretty typical for most guys to say at their 6-week check that it's mostly gone. And it's rare for somebody on a virgin head to say that it's still numb after 3 months, but it can happen. So I know this kid will show back up for his year visit.
Yes, he will. He'll be showing up every 3 months. He tags every 2-3 weeks, giving updates. He wanted to do the video.
Yeah.
He's like, I want to do the video. He's like, so they can see.
Yeah. So take what he says to heart. Particularly younger guys, do your research before you jump into it and be patient. It takes a while for it to work.